Hey everyone, and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to add a search bar and Shopify header. So head over to your app store and install this application, Rapid Search Bar and Filtering, and this is really great. So if you click on you need to create your account, and once you do, you can see it is going to be showing up onto your store. So over here on top you will be able to see we have the search bar showing up, and here you can see some products are already showing up. We have some examples, some products. So this is super handy to filter and search through a set of products. And yeah, you can see we have that search bar in here as well. We can search, like for example, we have if we search 46, this is gonna show up. If we search something else, we have Sony headphones, so you can search in here for headphones as well, and you can see this is going to be showing up, and this is really handy. So for this, what you need to do is simply install this app called Rapid Search Bar and Filter. Super easy, works like a charm. I hope this helped. See you in the next video.